This is my tutorial on this gorgeous Candyland centerpiece. So to start, I took a little bucket that I got at Dollar Tree and I filled it with some scrap styrofoam. And then I'm going to take some lightweight spackle and a 1M tip, it's a star tip. And I'm just going to start putting that along the edge. It does not have to be perfect. And in fact, I end up smearing it. It's totally fine. You can always go back and fix it. I went ahead and did another layer around the inside. And then I put some random dollops on the inside and I spread them down with a popsicle stick. That's because that's where the majority of my candy decorations are going to go. So I'm just adding a gummy bear that I have a tutorial for, and I'm also going to add some of my handmade lollipops, which I also have a tutorial on YouTube for. I got these cute Candyland picks at Craft Outlet. So I just added a couple of those to add some height and color and some whimsy. And then I'm adding my cupcake, which I just did a live on this cupcake the other day. Now I didn't like how that fake frosting was looking in the front, so I just scraped that off. I'll reapply it later. And I'm just adding this little ice cream cone ornament. I think it's really important when you're designing to do things in threes. You want to do different heights, and then you want to repeat colors on the left and right. Repeat a color at least 3 times. And I end up repeating the pink and the yellow at least 3 times with the little swirl picks, the bear, the cotton candy is another pop of pink. I'm going to do another pop of pink later with a treat. I'm going to add a yellow treat, then there's the yellow in the cotton candy, the yellow in the bucket, and the yellow in the pick. I also made that rainbow cotton candy on a live a couple of weeks ago. So here's that other pop of pink I was telling you about, just a little fake donut made out of styrofoam. I'm just going to add that with a toothpick. And here's a little macaron I made out of air dry foam clay for that extra pop of yellow. And now I'm going to fill in any whipped cream or fake frosting that I think I need in the front and back. And I didn't know I had a special guest. I was so in the zone, I wasn't even paying attention that she was in my craft room. But that's the little miss. And she's just playing with some of my fake sweets over there. She loves it in Mom's craft room. So these are my birthday cake sprinkles from my shop, Glam Candy Boutique on Etsy. And then I'm just gonna add some sprinkles all over in the front and back. And I'm gonna use some candies that I got at Hobby Lobby at Christmas, some gumdrops and little fake wrapped candies. And now I'm using my fake gumballs from my shop as well. And okay, this is like a dream piece for me, so I did go overboard with the candy a little bit. But this is Maximalist decor, and you know what? I won't apologize for it. These are some of my favorite cabochons of all time, and I do carry these in my shop as well. I like to have a 3D sculpture, especially if it's a centerpiece, maybe going to be placed on a table. And so I just wanted to put this rainbow cake topper in the back. I just made this vinyl decal with my silhouette machine. I'm just going to add it to the front here. And I also just made some circles in different sizes, and I'm just hand applying them. And I did make sure to do the front, back, and sides. I just made this bow with this Michaels ribbon. They only have it this time of year, so if you want it, you should go get it. I absolutely love this ribbon. It looks like those little candy dots. Do you know what I'm talking about? And I just thought it was perfect for the theme. So I just added a little toothpick, and then I added some hot glue and placed that in there in the side. Now, I thought I was done, but then I decided to go back. I wanted a little drip. So this is just the lightweight spackle with some paint, and now I've added quite a bit of Mod Podge to make it a little bit runnier. Not too runny. You kind of want it the consistency of yogurt. I do have a tutorial for that in my on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to go all the way around the edge and pipe in this little drip. And this is my finished, gorgeous Candyland centerpiece. I hope you love it as much as I do. To me, there's nothing better than Candyland and Pastel Rainbow. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe or follow if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye.